Sabaha everybody, welcome back to Expos Tuesday. Today we have a dedicated Expos Tuesdays for the OnePlus 3 modules. The ones that work, the ones that don't work, or the ones that kind of work. This is TK, let's check it out. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the list of the modules that I have installed on my device, and these are the things that I know work on my device. And then I'm also going to show you guys a resource on XDA that gives you access to actually a bigger list than what I have. So to start off, we have Android NFI. Some of these options do work here on the on Expos, and you'll notice that I have some different things here set up within it. Again, just be aware that all of them are. I'll give you guys a link again in the description. You'll know exactly which one works. Advanced Power Menu Plus, the APV Awesome Pop-Up Video, and with the YouTube module does work. Fingerprint Enabler, I did a video for you guys before. This is the Google Play Music notification LM Seek bar, so you can play there and then seek. It does work. Greenify, of course, work. Miming Guard worked for some people depending on what you're using, but it does work for me and it does block the ads. Nougat navigation bar, you'll notice, well, actually I took it away here, but when I do have the bar, it does actually work. We'll go back. The OnePlus 3 button mod, this also kind of worked for me here. The OnePlus 3 slider gives us the ability to change the functionality on the OnePlus 3 slider here, and it's very nice. Recent floating app, again, I did a video for you guys. Use USB for Marshmallow. This is very functional, if you actually have a situation where every time you plug in your OnePlus 3, it keeps asking you for what you want to do. Do you want to connect via USB to charge, to transfer files? This will remember whatever the last thing you had. Use USB for Marshmallow. Again, this is the one we just covered. The XGPM isn't working for me right now, and that's mostly because the Google Play Music application just got updated. So this mod needs to I'm waiting for it to get updated to support the latest version. X Hangout definitely works. X Notification, of course. These are app specific, so they will work on any ROM. X Notification, Expose Pokemon, these are just the Expose modules that I'm using for Pokemon. Here, this is just for background. This is transparency and quick settings panel. And then here what we have is the Zoom for Instagram. This does work. If you have it, if you used it before, you know what it does. Let's go ahead and switch over real quick. I want to show you guys what I have as far as a resource. This is the XDA thread that's put together by McLaren X. This is a really good thread that gives you access to all the modules that are working. So this is what it gives us beginning here. So Ad Blocker, Amplify, Battery Percentage Text, Boot Manager, Connect, Disable Full Screen Keyboard. The list goes on. Lucky Patcher, One Tap Facebook module, Protected Apps, Root Cloak. Not sure why it's listed twice. Smart Network, X Insta, the X Halo Floating Window number 3, the X Hangout, of course, YouTube AdAway background playback. Some of the ones that are kind of working, Androidify, and I think I mentioned to you the Android NFI, App Settings, Gravity Box, Kmod, Miming Guard kind of works, and some people actually say that it's working pretty well. For me, it works good. I'm not sure why it's listed here. Screen Off Animation, Volume Steps Plus, WhatsApp X, XBlast Tools partially. And of course, that doesn't work, of course, Vibrate Mode, WinAm Kit, XPrivacy, XSuite, SQI mod, Height Carrier Label, IMEI Changer, and then Double Tap to Sleep. And that's, I think, mostly supported by the kernel also. So depending on the kernel that you're using, you may be able to get that functionality. So as you guys saw, the list is there. It does get updated. There's a lot of people participating in there. If you feel like you do find things that work that I said that maybe didn't work in this video, please make sure to go and check this actual thread, post to it and update it. And I think it's a really good resource for people, specifically Expos module lovers like us here on Expos Tuesday, so that we can keep this list going, specifically for this great device. Since there's so much support for the OnePlus 3, it truly is by far, I think, one of the best devices of 2016, so far at least. Other than that, again, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know of any other modules or any other things that may have missed in the video. But again, I try to give you guys what I have on my device, what I currently use. It doesn't mean that I use everything. But also a resource so that you guys can have access to what you need in case you, let's say, you want to try something else that you're thinking about but didn't know if it worked on your OnePlus 3. Like and subscribe, share this video. Thank you very much for the support, and I will see you guys on the next Expos Tuesday.